Hello guys, my name is Khan, and in today's video I will show you guys that how you can apply borders and alignment formatting to your Excel with the help of VBA. So before going towards the VBA, I will show you what does it mean by borders and alignment. I'm hoping that you guys already know, but just to make sure. So suppose we are suppose we are writing something like borders, and suppose if I copy this thing here, so I have these cells from A1 to D4, and suppose if I want to apply some alignment. So first thing, in order to for this example, I will just increase the width of my rows. So in order to increase that, I will come here, format, I will say row height, and then I'm going to increase it to 30, just for you guys able to see. So once I have done this, and if I select A1 to D4, if you come to align, first if you will see the borders, so there is a border option that you can here. If you see, I can apply borders, so I can have thick borders. If I go here, you can see I can even change the colors of my borders to according to my need, and I can do many other things. And I will try to show you that how you can apply those borders with the help of VBA. After that, if I select this thing again, sorry. So now if I select the area region again, and suppose now I want to see the alignment. So if you come here, there is a alignment left, alignment center, and alignment right. So suppose if I click, it's already alignment left. So if I do alignment center, you can see that this word border comes into the center, but it's still on the bottom left, because by default I have selected bottom align, and now if I select right, it's on the bottom but still on the right. In the same way, you can choose different combinations with middle align and top align. So in this video I will show you guys that how you can apply these changes, can apply borders and can apply alignments with the help of VBA. But before going further, what I will do, I will save this workbook. I will say save VBA videos, and then I will be selecting borders and alignment. This is the folder that I have created. But the important thing is that I will not save it as Excel workbook. I will save it as Excel macro enabled workbook, because I will create a macro to control, to apply borders and to align my text within this range that I have selected. And in order to do that, I will go to developer tab and I will start with the Visual Basic. And this is the workbook, or this is the project, VBA project I'm currently working. So I will say right click, and then I will say insert a module. So once I inserted a module, now I can create a macro. So first I will create a macro for borders. So I will be saying sub, and then I'm naming it as borders. You can name whatever you want. And after that, what I will be doing, my range is starting from A1 to D8. So first I will specify the range, RNG range. And after that, inverted commas, A1 to D8. I'm not wrong. Just double check. Yes, D8. And after that, what I will be doing is I will be saying, dot borders. And here's the border option. Dot, I will be saying, so suppose what's the line style we will be selecting. So I will be saying line style is equal to, so for example, we start with the dash. So let's say Excel dash, how it looks like. I will show you. So suppose if I play it now, you can see that there is a dotted line everywhere. So that happened because I have selected XLN dash. And the same thing you can also done if you go to the home tab and apply it through here, but I am trying to how you can automate it with the help of VBA. And in the same way, there are many other options like Excel dot. These are the bit famous one. If I play it again, now you can see I have Excel dot. In the same way, I have Excel continuous. Let's see if I play it now. You can see I have a continuous. It's don't have a space between the points. And then suppose if you don't want any border, so you can just simply say Excel none and play it. So you can see that there are different options. Now there is no border now, but for this example I will be using Excel dot. Just for you guys, I'm commenting it out that you can also use dash. And you can also use continuous. And you can also, there are many other but these are the famous one, Excel none, according to your need. So once after specifying the line style, the other thing is that what is the color of your line, so you can also specify it. So in order to do that, I'll be copy the same part again till the borders, pasting it here, and then I will be specifying my color. Is equal to, so suppose if I like it will be red. Let's say if I played this macro now, you can see it's red now. There are many other colors available like green. You can play it, even blue, whatever color you like. So for me, I will be happy with red, so that you guys can able to see it properly. So after that, the other option that you can specify that what's the width of the line. So in order to specify the width of the line, you will be saying weight. So the weight goes up from 1 to 4. I will be specifying, suppose initially 1. You can say it's the same that by default we have selected. If I do it 2, probably the line width will increase, as you can see. And let's do it 4. And you can see it's very big now. So these are the ways you can specify different borders styles with the help of VBA. But before ending, the important thing is that this code looks very cumbersome because I'm writing this part again and again. So in order to make your code concise or more easy to comprehend, you can use a with function. So you will say with, and you will be saying that add this part in the start of every line, copy, paste it here, and then there is no need to write this part. So I will be saying this. There is no need to write this part. There is no need to write this part because I'm starting that add this part of the code in each line that is stated below until I specify end with. So after this end with line, the VBA will not add this part to the start in the start of the code. So now suppose if I clear the formatting so that you're able to see that my code is still working. So if I execute it now, you can see that VBA have applied all the changes and my code is still working. So with the help of this with functionality, we're able to make our code more short, more concise, easy to comprehend. So this is the one thing that we have done. Now I will show you that how you can also apply alignment within the VBA to your Excel workbook. So in order to apply the alignment, I will be creating a new macro, sub align. Again, you can name it whatever you want. And what I will be doing is that I will be applying the alignment from A1 to D8. So first, again, I will be specifying the range A1 to D8. And then after that, I'll be saying that first I want to apply horizontal alignment. I want this thing to be in the center or in the right or in the left. By default, it's in the left side. So let's say horizontal alignment. Make sure that you spell it right. Is equal to it's by default it's left. So in order to make it right, I'll just say Excel right. Let's execute this macro. You can see that now my borders are on the right hand side. So make it in order to show a bit in a clear way. So I will select these columns and I will go to formats and I will increase the column width so that you can be able to see the changes that I'm applying. So yeah, you can see now it's in the right side. In the same way, you can, instead of Excel right, you can say Excel center. And now if I execute this macro, now it's in the center, and by default mostly it's on the left side. You can also use left, and now it's on the left side. I think I will go with the center. So this is one of the way you can align your text in with the help of VBA. Other than that, I have shown you that first we do horizontal. This is the horizontal alignment. Then we can also align vertically. That where you want at the bottom, you want it in the center, in the middle, or you want at the top your text. So currently it's in the bottom, as because by default vertical alignment is bottom is selected. But if you want to change the vertical alignment too, you can easily change it. So for that, I will just copy paste my previous line. Down it here, instead of horizontal, I will be saying vertical. And after vertical, I will be using Excel. So there are three other options: Excel, top, bottom, or center. So suppose if I use top, currently we are in the bottom. So if I apply this macro, you can see the text is moved up on the cell. In the same way, you can say middle, and you can apply. Sorry, I have spelled it wrong. It should be center, not middle. And now you can say it's in the middle. But suppose if you forget that is it a middle align or center align, you can go over, you can hover around those things and you can get an idea that you have to write down left or bottom in your code. And in the same way, you can also select the bottom too. And if I execute it, you can see now it's in the bottom. I will go with top. So the text is in the top of the cell now. So in this video, what I have discussed is that how you can apply borders with the help of VBA. And we have covered that what are the different line styles available, how can you color your border lines, and how can you change the width of your border lines. And then we also have discussed that how you can apply alignment to the cells with the help of VBA. So that's all about the VBA. That's all about today's video. Thank you for watching the video.